Hey you guys, happy December. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you how I did this cute little hot cocoa station for my kids. So if you'd like to know how I achieved this, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I did was just start to wipe down the counter and then clean the Keurig, kind of just get everything a little bit tidied up before I placed everything on there. And then these jars are from TJ Maxx. They were all under $5 and I thought they would be perfect for the hot cocoa, marshmallows, and stuff like that. So I started off by just taking off the tags and then giving them a quick rinse. So I had to add coffee to these jars because we are coffee drinkers in our home. So in the biggest one, that's what I put in there. And then in the second one, you'll see that I started to pour the hot cocoa mix in there. And this one I bought from Walmart, but then I ended up switching it to the third one. And with some hot cocoa without some cookies, and these are our personal favorites, Chips Ahoy and Oreos, so I went ahead and added those to the jar also. And then in the smallest jar, I added the mini marshmallows. These cute little jars I picked up from TJ Maxx also, and I thought they would be perfect for the chocolate chips. And then this little red canister is from the Target Dollar Spot. And I thought I would use it for the candy canes, and it was a little bit low, so I went ahead and added some napkins in there just so the candy canes could be a little bit higher. And then these stirrers I ordered from Amazon. They say naughty and nice, and I went ahead and placed those into another red canister that I had, and I also added napkins in that one for height. And then these red and white straws that I thought would be perfect are also from Amazon, and I ended up adding those in these little jars that I had purchased from the Dollar Tree. And then these cute little jars, they have a little Christmas tree as the lid. I got these from the 99cents only store, and I added the sprinkles in those and then also some sugar for the coffee. And then these spoons, they're chocolate covered spoons. I picked up these from TJ Maxx, and I just added them into the same canister as the stirrers. So I felt like the jars needed to have a little bit more Christmas on them. So I had this red ribbon, and all I did was just tie a little bow in front of them. And then I grabbed my 2-tier tray. I did do a DIY on this. I'll go ahead and link that down below for you guys. And I started to place everything on there. I do end up switching it a few times before I find the perfect spot for everything. These little cups and these napkins I picked up from Walmart. And I thought these would be so cute for when the kids decide to get some hot cocoa. And I had this little red towel that I had in the kitchen, and I wanted to place that under the jars. I just thought that it would add a little bit more red into everything and bring everything together better. And with some hot cocoa without some cinnamon. So all I did was take off the label and then add some red ribbon around it. And then I had these cute little bells that I also added to the wall. And I felt like the Keurig needed a little bit more color, so I added this little red rope that I had laying around. And then I added some trinkets and some little Christmas trees, and we are all done. I love how it turned out. I'm so obsessed with it. My kids loved it, even my husband loved it. It's a little bit busy, but I love it. I'm just so obsessed with how festive it looks. Let me know down below what you guys think, and please give it a thumbs up so I know to make more Christmas videos for you guys. Again, thank you guys for all the support, and thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.